Hello guys, so actually a lot of you asked me how to play local multiplayer in Multiversus, or can you play local multiplayer in Multiversus. So in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to do it. So a lot of you were going to custom game, and after that we're trying to add the other player locally. For example, if I press anything on my brother's joystick, it doesn't work. So the thing is, it's the wrong way to do it. So leave lobby and now press on play. After that go to custom, and you will see here something called local play. So just press it and let your brother press any key, and now you have it. And now you can play with any character you like, with anything. So for me, I will choose Bugs Bunny. Let's start it, and you press ready. Not enough players. Okay, so so it doesn't work 2v2, so I will go to here and make it 1v1 in the time being. Done. Let him join again. I choose Bugs Bunny. Ready. And here you can choose perks and these stuff. In the time being, I don't know much about them, so I leave it. Press play here. Let's play. And I will choose this map. And here you have it, guys. You can play locally. Oh my god, what's that? So that's it, guys, for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like and do whatever you want. Now let me beat my brother.